Feeling overwhelmed by your small space? Trust me, I've been there. But with a few smart tricks and the right products, you can turn even the tiniest room into a cozy, functional retreat. From space-saving furniture to creative storage solutions, here are 10 of my go-to small room organization ideas, complete with must-have products to help you get started. So don't leave too quickly. Stay until the end. You don't be disappointed. So without further delay, let's go. Maximize wall space with tall bookshelves, floating shelves, or wall-mounted cabinets. Products like this tall bookshelf or these floating shelves are perfect for adding storage without taking up valuable floor space. Invest in furniture that serves more than one purpose. Consider a bed with storage drawers underneath or a shoe organizer that is also a shelf. These pieces reduce clutter and make your room more versatile. Make use of the back of doors with over-the-door organizers. Whether it's for shoes, accessories, or bathroom essentials, these organizers are a lifesaver in small spaces. Thanks to all of you for your support, your likes, your share. On this channel, we're talking about lifestyle and practical life, especially in outfit ideas, home design ideas. So encourage me by becoming a member of this channel, you'll not be disappointed. Don't forget to subscribe and click on the notification bell for don't miss any video. Foldable furniture, like this wall-mounted desk or foldable chairs, can be easily stored away when not in use, freeing up space. Don't overlook the space under your bed. Use underbed storage bins or rolling drawers to keep seasonal items, shoes, or linens out of sight but easily accessible. Transform messy drawers into organized spaces with versatile drawer organizers. Mix and match dividers, trays, and bins to create a custom setup that suits your needs. Whether it's for socks, office supplies, or kitchen utensils, these organizers make it easy to keep everything in its place and within reach. Maximize your closet space with hanging closet organizers and closet hangers. These create additional storage without requiring a full closet makeover. Nowadays, you can find different organizers that are functional and cute. Keep your everyday essentials within easy reach with stylish wall hangers. Choose designs that match your room's aesthetic to create a functional and chic display. With the right organization solutions, even the smallest spaces can feel cute and functional. From space-saving furniture to clever storage hacks, this will help you make the most of your tiny room. Ready to transform your space? Let me know in the section below. Here we're at the end of this video. Hope that inspired you. Thanks for watching. See you soon in the next.